Hey everybody, it's Jared Livingston here with Big Pine Sports. I'm at the 2020 launch of the all-new Kawasaki KRX 1000. I'm here with Chris from HCR. How you doing, Chris?
Good, thank you.
These guys have had one of these for a long time already, and I am super jealous. But the gain for us, they've already developed a long travel kit and a couple other cool accessories we're going to talk about right now. Chris, show us a little bit about the long travel kit. Maybe explain to us a little about the arms, the functionality, the shocks, and all that.
Okay. Well, we've actually widened out the car 4 inches, so now it's a 72-inch long travel car. We utilize the stock shocks. We're also, with our kit, it comes with RCV axle bars. So again, additional strength. We also high clearance the A arms, and you will get brake lines with it also. Again, it's kind of just a bolt-on, super easy to install. Back here on the trailing arms, we high clearance the trailing arms also. This will also include brake lines, and we're utilizing the stock shocks again. Here's our HCR billet radius rods. It comes with the kit also, and also RCV axle bars in the rear. We also developed a dual battery kit system, which is tucked up underneath there, and that's so you're going to add grips and light bars. It's going to help it with the lighting because it's only pulling 21 amps on the stock machine, so anything more than a light bar, it just doesn't work.
That'll be a big help. I mean, with all the added features of, like you say, light bars, street legal kits, winches, sound systems, that's a great idea. What else you got for us inside the cab?
Well, we got one more. We have a iPad mount that we developed for this machine. Looks super sleek, slick. Add your GPS to it. It's pretty cool.
The kit gonna come with all the mounting hardware and everything.
All the mounting
needed?
hardware. No iPad. So
no iPad.
You got to
included.
provide that.
So, a couple questions real quick. Back to the kit. We're getting how much additional ground clearance on that?
1.5 inches.
Any more travel in the suspension?
You're gonna get about 1 inch of travel due to the width.
Perfect. And what about the components? I mean, we know we've got billet, radius rods. What are the rest of the suspension components made out of?
Well, it's our own proprietary blend. It's 30% stronger than chromoly.
Perfect. And as far as availability, how are we looking time-wise? Are we going to have to wait a while, or are they ready to go?
They're ready to go. I would give it 1 to 2 weeks. Should be ready to go. So
perfect. And can customers choose powder coat color of their preference?
Yep.
They can also do them raw, I'm guessing, if they want to check out the quality steel. I mean, these guys, I've been around HCR for a long time. They build quality products, and they're available right now for the all-new Kawasaki. If you'd like more information, you can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com or your website.
It's hcrracing.com.
Perfect. Have a great day, everybody. If you'd like to talk to me personally, my name's Jared, 435-851-3637. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Have a great day, everybody. More info to come.